For years, it was called the Sarasota Beer Festival. Simple enough, right? But now Sarasota is so hip, at least among us beer drinkers, that the city's biggest beer drinking event needs a hipper name. Okay then, the Sarasota Beer Festival is now the Sarasota Craft Brew Fest. We have definitely earned that crafty title. And we take pride in the response by Ricky Black. She's the coordinator of the festival. She told me we changed the name from Sarasota Beer Festival to Sarasota Craft Brew Fest because Sarasota Bradenton is more sophisticated now and wants more craft beers added. Sophisticated? Us? Aw, shucks. We have our stable of local breweries making fine beer. We have Big Top, Darwin's, Fat Point, and Motorworks, and they'll all be repping Saturday. The Sarasota Beer Festival also offers brews from breweries across the state and across the nation, plus most of our local craft breweries. But it gets better. In addition to unlimited 2-ounce beer samples, attendees can nosh on unlimited samples of food from area restaurants. Main reason Sarasota Craft Brew Fest is rad? In addition to all the beer and food that will fit in your belly, it's in the air-conditioned confines of Robarts Arena. Just remember, save cab money or bring a designated driver. All those shots of beer add up, quick. Sarasota Craft Brew Fest is from 5 to 9 p.m. Saturday at Robarts Arena. That's at 3000 Ringling Boulevard in Sarasota. Tickets range from $30 to $75. I'm Wade Tatangelo of the Herald Tribune with Bar Tab. To read this column and others, visit TicketSarasota.com.